Welcome to RPGuru Tech Talk. My name is Renu Prasad. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your memory in the Dell Inspiron 5570 laptop, and I will also show you how to identify the right memory upgrade you need and stuff like that. So let's take a look. Go to my laptop's BIOS to check how many slots I use. So I see the one slot is used and there's one 8 gigabytes memory. So now let's see what is the ideal memory for this upgrade. So I have one slot available. I need to upgrade it for the remaining slot. So I search in any search engine and go to the Crucial website, which tries to match my laptop's configuration, and it says compatible RAM. Click on that. You see there are two types. One is a single one, which is 8 gigabytes, and there are two 8 gigabytes into two. So, but for me, I just need one because I have only one slot available, and I'm using one 8 gigabytes memory already in the laptop. So I found the item. I will share this information to you in the description from where you can buy from Amazon. So the first thing we need to do is there are multiple screws on the back side of the laptop. So I'm going to quickly show you how to remove them, and you should remember the screws that go into the different slots, because otherwise you could damage your screws. So I've removed these screws, and then once I remove it, I use a plastic card to slowly open up the back side, and you should be it's a very delicate thing, so be careful when you're doing this. And once you're done, the laptop back cover comes off. And once you're in the back side of the laptop, make sure that there are no loose ends. So like if you see my SSDs come loose, so I need to make sure that I tighten it while I'm in this inside the laptop. So now I have this memory which I bought in Amazon, and you can see there's one slot available. And I'm going to open the new memory, and it can just slide it in and press it gently, and you should see a click, and pretty much all set. So I'm not going to show you how to put the screws back. It's the same process we followed when removing it. So you put in the screws. I go back to my BIOS and see that I see there are 16 gigabytes now. There are two slots, both 8 gigabytes. So the upgrade was successful. Hope to see you soon on my next video.